Introducing the Blower Joe SBJ 605E Blower Vac and Mulcher from Sun Joe. Lightweight, sleek, and powerful, Blower Joe packs the power of a hurricane into the palm of your hand to make your yard work fun, quick, and easy. Featuring an interchangeable tube design, the SBJ 605E converts quickly and easily. From a robust 250-mile-per-hour blower to a mighty mulching vacuum, driven by Blower Joe's durable aluminum alloy impeller and superior 16:1 reduction ratio. Coupled with a cleaner, quieter 14-amp instant start electric motor and hefty 12-gallon vacuum bag, you'll leave your neighbors wondering where all the leaves went. ETL approved and backed by a full 2-year warranty. When life gives you leaves, make cleanup a breeze and go with Joe. The Blower Joe SBJ 605E 3-in-1 blower, vacuum and mulcher from Sun Joe. Get equipped.